Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss the concept of branches and manage branches in UiPath GIT. I will also walk you through a practical example to show you how to create branches, switch between branches and delete branches. So let's get started. First, let's understand what is branches in Git. A branch is a version of the repository that diverges from the main working project and continue to work on the project independently without affecting the main code base. In simple word, we can say in Git, a branch is a separate or you can say a new version of the main repository. And the default branch in Git is main or master. So in UiPath Git, you can see main branch. Now let's understand why do we need branches. When multiple developers are working on the same project, branches allow them to work on different features or fixes simultaneously without conflicting with each other's code. Different branches can represent different versions of the projects, such as development, QA, and production, etc. This helps in managing releases and ensuring that only a stable and tested code is deployed to production. You can create a branch to fix bugs independently from the other ongoing development work. In case of urgent bug fixes that need to be deployed quickly, a hotfix or we can say quick fix branch can be created from the main branch, from the production branch, and the fix can be applied, tested, and merged back without disrupting ongoing development. In UiPath Studio, if you see here in the bottom, this is the repository name. You can see Git repository, and this is the branch. If we'll click on that, you'll see here we have only one branch available right now, that is main branch, and you can see origin/main branch. So this is the main branch. Here we have list of options: manage branches, refresh remote branches, push, pull, manage remotes, sign out. So few of things like you have already learned from the previous video. If you have not seen those videos, please go through that. Now let me show you how to create a branch. Branch can be created from UiPath Studio and from GitHub as well. So first I will create the branch from GitHub. You'll open this, log in into this. If you don't have an account, create an account, log in into this one. If you don't know how to do this one, go and search that video in the playlist and now come to this. So this is the dashboard. Here we can see UiPath underscore first GitHub hyphen repo. So this is the repository. Click on that. Now the default branch that we have is main branch. Somewhere you will see master branch. Okay. If you click on that, if you have any other branches, you will see here listed. And main is the default branch. Now let's say there is a project on which you need to do some enhancement or you need to do some quick fix, then the code is already available in the main branch, and instead of modifying directly in the main branch, you must create a different branch called development or dev, anything which is valid. You can create that and you can clone that this code to that branch and then work on that, test that, and then merge that development code with the main branch, and then you can move that package to the orchestrator, to the production, right? So first we'll create a branch from GitHub. We'll click on that, and you can see here the label find on create a branch. So either you can find the branches which is already created, or you can create a new branch. So we'll create a branch for development. So either you can write dev or development. So you can see create branch development from the main. So it means this, once we'll click on that, this development branch will be created from the main branch. So we'll click on that. You will see here those code, those YAML files and folders, everything is now available under this development branch. So while working on that, let's say you are going to download that, you are going to start working, just select your development branch here. Now this has been created. Now whatever changes you will do in the development branch. Whatever changes you will commit that, you will push that. You can come and verify by refreshing that. You can see all these commits, everything you can see. You can make sure that the changes that you are doing is not going to main branch. So it should be while making changes in the UiPath Studio, that should be selected. Okay, so this has been created. Now go back to UiPath Studio. From this branch, currently we can see main branch. Now if you want to get this branch here in your UiPath Studio as well, this is very simple to do that. Just click on refresh remote branches. It will refresh whatever changes that you have done in the remote. So click on that, and after that development branch has been added. You can see origin/development. Now currently we have main selected, and you will see here all this code here also. Now if I'll click on origin/development, so whatever changes that you have done previously, first you have to either commit that or undo that. It means without saving, without committing, you will not able to change that. So first what we'll do, we'll just commit, or you will right click or undo. Okay, undo that. I don't want to change this one. Now we'll click on main and switch between the branches. So select development. Now you'll see here all this data, the files available here, everything we can see now. Now we have created development. One thing I'm going to write here, I'm going to put here created development branch, and take here one JSON, serialized JSON. Okay, so this we have added here. Save this. Once we'll save, we'll see the changes here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make some changes here so that you will see that the changes is not going to the main branch, it's going to the development branch. Even the main branch is selected here in the GitHub. Only while making the changes to the code, you need to make sure that a specific branch is selected. Now we'll save this, right click on this project, click on commit, update that commit message. Now we'll directly commit and push so that we can see the changes in the GitHub, in the remote. So it's going to push the changes to the remote version. Okay, now we'll go back to the GitHub, refresh this. If you'll see here in the main, we do not see that a specific commit here, commit message, because we have not committed here in the main. We have committed to the development. So we'll click on that, select the development, and now you will see the changes that here in the main YAML file. Now we change that, we added this commit message. The other way to create a branch is from UiPath Studio. So what you will do, you will click on this, go to manage branches, and now you can see here the list of branches that we have. So current branch is development. Now I need to create one more branch. So I'll click on add. Once you click on add, you can put that anything, like let's say this is for UAT. To create the UAT branch and take the data from development. If you want to take it from main, so you'll have to first select the main and then you will create that. But here we are working on the development branches and then we are moving from the development to UAT. So we'll do like this. So create from development. So this has been created. Now click on save. Now go back here and change to UAT. And you can see all this data, all these changes that we did is available here. Now, how can you see here in the UiPath GitHub? And you'll see here, currently we can see main and development, but we are not able to see UAT. Refresh this. We are still not able to see that. How can we see that changes? This new branch. For that, we have to right click on this process and we need to push that changes. So even if we don't have any pending changes options showing here, but we have to push that, then only this UAT, this branch will be pushed to the remote branch, to the GitHub. Now this has been updated. Now go back to this GitHub, refresh that. Now click on that and you will see here main, UAT and development. So this UAT branch is now added to this GitHub. So anytime if you think you need to work on some bug fixes or you need to work on the enhancement, development, and the code is already available in the main, or you can say master branch, then first you need to create a different branch called development or quick fix, hot fix, something like that. Take the like clone those files into that specific branch, so automatically it will get a copy of that and work on that, test it, check it, get it reviewed, merge back to the main branch. Now I will show you how to delete the branch. You will go to this GitHub, click on this, click on view all branches, and you can see here we have active branches, that is UAT and development. Your branch is UAT and development, and this is the default branch. Now we'll just go to this and delete, click on this delete icon, UAT. So this is deleted now. Let's go back to this main again. Since this has been deleted, but we clicked on second one. Now click on this branches and you can see here UAT branch is not there. So this has been deleted. Now go back to this UiPath Studio, click on that, click refresh remote branches. We still can see this UAT. Now what you can do, go to manage branches, select this UAT and click on this minus, and this has been now deleted. You can see now we do not see that UAT branch here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you understand the concept of branches in UiPath GIT. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in comments below. Until next time, happy learning.